It's all in the mind. If you wanna test me, I'm sure you'll find the things I'll teach ya. Sure to beat ya. Nevertheless, you'll get a lesson from teacher. Now kick,
Kick,
punch,
punch,
chop.
chop.
You don't have a kick right or forward. You don't have a kick right or forward. That's awesome. Just shoot.
Rocky was like a favorite game of mine. So I had this idea of kind of being like a bandmeister. So you have the left and right controls, where you gotta like go left or right.
Nice.
And then the shoot is just like rapid fire pressing. I actually found the best way to learn it is like the opposite way. But you do this.
So
And you just gotta shoot as best you can with like
sweet.